this look for a TikTok. It was like recreating an Avril Lavigne sweaty eyeliner makeup look that she had on stage long ago. I'm keep it real with you right now. I am not having a good time today. I think I'm extremely hangry. I think that's what might be happening, but my day started off bad. I didn't realize Jace was working today, and when he works, he's like up early and gets out of the house, which usually I would use to my advantage and like get a bunch of stuff done. But I didn't know that he was doing that, and so my whole plan for my day that I planned out included like things with him, and he's usually the one who makes breakfast. I know this sounds so stupid and complainy, but he just makes breakfast so good, and I know that if I try to make his breakfast, it's not gonna taste right. It's gonna be wrong, and my day is gonna be started off bad anyway. So when I realized that he was working, which was at like 7 a.m. this morning, because he got up before me and took a shower, and I'm like, do you have work today? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Things were already off to a bad start, but I got up, I made coffee. I was like, I'll just make myself something for breakfast, quick and easy. But then I looked at the dishes from Jace cooking the other day that he didn't do yet. And it was like every single item that I needed to cook what I wanted to cook was in the sink full of like food and nasty. And I was like, there's no way this man has left me with this. And he said he was gonna do them when he got home. So I'm like, well, I guess I'm not eating breakfast then. So I skip breakfast, already a stupid idea. Then I get on my computer and start looking at my planner for the day. And I'm like, I don't wanna do any of this now. So I've just really been battling with myself today, really. That's all it is. We all have these days and it's fine. I did film this look, even though it's already 1 p.m. And now my camera battery is gonna die. You must be joking right now. Hold please. I also caught a glimpse of myself in the mirror with just underwear on pretty much, and I'm like, girl, you must do something about this. Just really having a match with myself today. I really want to turn it around. I know when Jace gets home, he'll like, he won't let me be in a bad mood. So he's almost home. I think I checked his location. We have to go today and get our Christmas cards for everybody to send out, just like our family and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do when he gets here. When he gets home, he won't allow me to be in a bad mood. He'll probably help figure out lunch because he's destroyed the kitchen. And one of like our biggest arguments in life is like chores, which I feel like is a normal thing, but we have like a set of chores for each other. We all know how chores work, right? You have your chores, I have my chores. They just need to be done. Well, they don't get done all the time, which is normal. So one of our biggest things is like the dishes when Jace cooks and doesn't clean up after himself. And so that's the reason that I didn't just do them, because I could easily just do them, but that's part of like the argument. Anyways, we go to therapy, and that is at the request of our therapist. I did my nails last night and I filmed it. These are like my birthday / New Year's nails. They're all different. There, we've got flames and rhinestones. These two are like gunmetal at the top down to like silvery with more rhinestones that are really wonky on this finger. We have my iconic disco ball nails. These are some of my favorite nails to do. They take forever, but look how cute. And then I just did like a gunmetal star with chrome powder and a rhinestone, and then how do I show the thumbs? The thumbs are just, it's hard to tell, but they have like that chrome powder on them too, so they're like mirrory, silvery black. There's been so many things going on like personally for me that have been really grinding my gears, and I just want this year to be done and start 2023 and try to like get super organized and have my routines and like get healthy again, because I'm not feeling healthy right now, and that's all I want to focus on. But I feel like we still have Christmas, we still have my birthday, and then we have New Year's, and it's like, can we just like get this over with so that we can get back into the grind? Because also my job working with brands and stuff pretty much ends at this time of the year, and then I'm like, what do I do? You know? So everyone goes out of office, which I totally get it when you work in an office and you like need the holiday time off. But when you work for yourself, at least for me personally, I'm sure other people aren't like this, I'm just a little bit insane when it comes to work. I just want to be working. It's when I feel my best. My therapist says that I shouldn't make my career my whole life though. Probably right. I don't know. I feel fulfilled when I'm doing that. Also, I set this chocolate up here because remember earlier I said that I was like, I saw myself in the mirror today and it just was not good. It was not a good thing that I was seeing. So I was like, I'm not gonna finish this chocolate because I don't deserve it. And that is also toxic. So I'm gonna finish this chocolate, even though I haven't eaten anything of substance today. And when Jace gets home, he's gonna put me back on track. And I am gonna get back on track. I'm not talking bad about myself anymore. Remember, it's on my vision board. Be delusional. No. I have a question. This is gonna be gross, by the way. So if you have an issue talking about dog poop, scroll ahead. Nicholas has been eating poop, and he's done this for years. Usually we can catch him before he does it and like stop that from happening. What do? It's getting to, this is gonna be really nasty. It's getting to the point where like as soon as one of the other dogs poops, Nicholas runs over and he does. He eats it hot. And I can't do it anymore. I cannot handle this. This is my son. He is sick in the head. I don't know what to do. I've Googled, we've tried some things that I've like read about online. The man doesn't care. He's sick and deranged. He's out there right now scouting. I know it. Like I can tell from the way that he walks around the yard, like what he's doing, and he's looking for landmines to snack on. Bless his soul, he's sick. Does anybody have any kind of tips? The only thing we haven't tried is getting those like dog pills that are like for dogs that like eat poop, saying like maybe he's missing something in his diet. His vet says that he's not, and the vet says that he, like some dogs just do that. So I don't know. I just realized I'm literally sitting here waiting for Jace to come home. Like that's all I'm doing. Out of my whole list of things I want to do today, I'm just like, where's Jace? He's the main character today, it's not me. Remember when someone commented and said Jace should leave me because I complain too much? That's one of those days that I'm having today.
Where are we headed, Captain?
Target, right?
Yeah. Anywhere else?
I don't know, I'm having a really grouchy day.
A grouchy day?
Mm-hmm.
That's not gonna work.
It looks like you were making out with someone who had lip gloss on.
Oh no. Oh, I need to get gas.
Okay.
Why are you having a grouchy day?
I think because you had to work.
Oh, did you miss me today?
Yeah, I missed you.
They keep
What are you gonna do to cheer me up?
That's a good question. Do you want a Dutch Brothers? I was looking at the far Target for the Taylor Swift album to get you for your birthday, but they didn't have the one you wanted. They had all the other colors but the one you wanted.
I think it might be a Walmart exclusive.
No, it's not. Yeah, they had the lavender, they had the blood moon.
I thought you were taking me to Disneyland for my birthday.
I am.
You don't need to get me anything else. You don't need to get me anything.
I just thought it'd be a nice little surprise, but I can't find it. I've been looking.
Update, because I know everyone is just dying to know. I cried it out. Jace went to get me and him food. We really should be eating at home. This is part of the problem, but we spent most of our drive to Target talking about how we both want to just get back on track for real. It's like a big problem for both of us. The rest of the day after we get home is gonna be figuring out how we're actually gonna do that and stick to it. Because I'm having a really bad mentee bee today about it, and yeah. I have OCD, and one of my big things is when like plans don't go, or like if I plan to do something and it doesn't go the right way or things change, then I tend to, it like makes me get agitated, which I really hate about myself. So I think I'm also just feeling really down about Christmas this year. We are not doing like gifts for each other this year, and it has me feeling, am I gonna cry? It has me feeling sad. One of my favorite things to do like in the world. Why am I crying? This is humiliating. I'm literally in the Panda Express parking lot crying right now about Christmas. Jace just sent me a video. It's just this chow mein in there's piled up so high, and he said, so much LMAO. Anyways, I'm gonna be okay. I'm just sad about Christmas. We usually do like a bunch of gifts for each other, and it's like my favorite thing to do is buy gifts for people, because I take the time to like really think about like what someone wants and like what would mean a lot to them, and this year we just like aren't doing it. Clearly this is having some kind of emotional effect on me. I also just get kind of down around my birthday every year. It's like without fail, I cry on my birthday every single year. It does not matter, and I think I just have like a bad taste in my mouth for my birthday because it's the day after Christmas. So like a lot of times throughout my life it's just been kind of like combined with Christmas, or it kind of like gets looked over because everyone's like in the holiday spirit and it's not really like a birthday celebration, if that makes sense. I feel like my family really tries to make it different and like separate, but you can't change the fact that my birthday is the day after Christmas. So I never do like birthday parties or anything. And I was thinking like I wanted to have a birthday party this year for my 30th birthday because it's like a big deal. But then I'm literally humiliated right now. When I edit this, I'm going to be cringing the whole time, just so everyone knows. I was thinking about my 21st birthday, where I was home alone by myself because all of my friends went home for Christmas. And I was like, no, I'm gonna stay in LA for my birthday. It's like my 21st. I'll get together with all my friends, but everyone left and like didn't do anything with me for my birthday. And I had just gotten dumped, like tragically broken up with, and I was going through it. And my dad called my ex-boyfriend and was like, hey, Ashley's alone for her birthday, so like, can you do something for her? Humiliating, but like a nice gesture. But also like my ex-boyfriend coming to pick me up with a birthday cake where my name was misspelled on it at like 9 p.m. because I didn't get to do anything for my 21st birthday.
You okay?
No.
What happened?
I'm crying on my vlog.
About what?
I don't know, I just started to talk about Christmas and my birthday and I can't stop crying now and I'm humiliated.
So you turned the camera on?
No, No, I had the camera already on saying that like you were getting me food.
And then it just spun out of control?
It just, yeah, it went south really fast.
Escalated from there?
Yeah.
Hey, it's gonna be alright.
I'm humiliated, and you have, on top of the lip gloss you have on, there's like Christmas card glitter all over.
How does that happen?
Look in the mirror.
What on earth?
Who is she? You've been with
Look
Mrs.
like
Claus.
Look like a ballerina.
Sugar Plum Fairy.
Hey, you're gonna be alright. I think you're just hangry.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I think it's a mixture of like being hangry and then being insane. I don't know. I'm having a day.
Well, you know what they say. Slay all day. So
I'm not slaying today.
We're turning this day around.
I know, you're turning the day around. I'm crying in the parking lot of Panda Express.
In the Panda Express mini mall parking lot?
With my Avril Lavigne makeup running down my face.
Let's get some food in here, okay?
Okay.
What happened back there?
I had a little bit of a TV.
Is everything alright now? Good.
We're ending the vlog, and I think this is the end of Vlogmas. Oops, I just shocked William's
The end
nose.
of Vlogmas?
Yeah.
No!
Okay, boys. It's gotta be the end of Vlogmas because...
Do we need to do a what's it called? A photo shot of when...
A thumbnail?
Thumbnail.
Yeah, go ahead.
The end of Vlogmas? What? No!
You have to stay in the frame when you do it.
No! It
Yeah.
seems early to end Vlogmas.
Yeah, usually it goes to Christmas, but I just really want to like start getting on track with everything else, and I feel like
you can't
daily
vlog that?
vlogging is too much.
What do you mean? You can't vlog yourself getting on track?
Well, the vlogs just take up like at least 4 hours a day, and I feel like that's a lot of time that I could spend doing other stuff. We could still do weekly vlogs.
Okay.
Look at this lanky boy.
Look at this, a happy ending we've got here.
My face is puffy from crying earlier.
My whole face is so sore from blowing my nose 1,000,000 times.
Yeah, are you gonna be okay?
I hope so.
Do we need to go to the ER?
No.
Not yet.
No.
He's so needy.
I know, what's wrong with him?
He's perfect. You're perfect.
The answer is nothing.
Yeah, so we're ending Vlogmas 5 days early. Lenny wants you. That's my dad.
Whoa.
Ending Vlogmas early. We're still gonna vlog, it's just gonna be back to kind of like not every single day, even though it's been fun while it's lasted. I just really want to work on myself this last week of December, and Jace too, right?
Yeah, time to reflect.
You want to sign us off one last time for the year?
Oh, it's been a holly jolly Christmas filled with jingle jangle. But now it's time, the silver bells have rung and the frost has set in and the holidays have come to a close. Not a creature was stirring.
It's not even Christmas yet.
There were still a couple creatures stirring, and the chimney was trimmed with care. And now it's time to say good night to one and good night to all, and a happy holidays. Don't forget to be so thankful.
I feel like you can tell you're a theater kid just from these sign-offs.
Ta-da!
Oh, Ozzy. This bug? What is this?
Christmas time is coming soon. It's the nutcracker season. It's time to do the ice skating.
Okay, that's enough.
Good night to all, and all a good night.
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing.